Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Do you remember the unboxing video that I shared with you? The box of plants that I got from my sister? So here's one of the cuttings that was inside the box. This is Kalanchoe, and here it is after 4 months. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I repot this plant in this beautiful pot that I got from Salvation Army. So here's the soil mixture, and then before adding the soil, I'm going to cover the hole with a rock. And now that the roots are fully established, I'm going to repot this in a bigger pot. When planting in any pot or container, do not fill the planter with soil all the way to the rim so that when you water your plants, you're not going to spill the soil. Okay, this is almost ready. Yeah, it's dry already. We can regrow this from leaves.